Here we go. Target, they're about to close, but we're here and I see Pallets with toys. Hopefully we'll find something. Wish me luck. Here we are, toys. Sorry about that. Toys. Look at that, toys.
Thank you.
Toys. Nothing so far. Let's check it. This one. Nothing. So we come at the right time, and then there's nothing. Great. This is just great. Great. What is that? Made in China, that wouldn't be it. Oh man, let's look at the wall, see if they have something. Come on. This looks like it's been here for a while. I'm trying to get those. Car culture, man. Team transport. Guys, we are live, but there's nothing. So we're gonna have to call it a video. Yeah, man. Nothing. This can't be happening. Look at this. 1 pallet, 2 pallets, and there's nothing. Nada. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a video. Let you go right here and yeah, we don't have to go right here and call it a video. Till next time, guys.